All right, so here we are. Let's take a look at what we got out here. Oh, look at all that. Man, oh man. This is a couple of boxes of recycling cardboard that's going to go out in about tomorrow. Here's two old chairs that are getting thrown out on garbage day next. Anyway, this deck was completely empty of snow about 3 days ago. This is the big snow blizzard of Christmas of 2022. Today's Boxing Day, the 26th of 2022. And yeah, so I'm going to have to snow blow this deck off because they're calling for rain next week. And if this thing gets sopped full of rain, that is going to be so heavy it's going to break my deck. Unbelievable that all this came in just the last couple of days. All right, so here we are going to get the snowblower out here. I was doing a little bit yesterday because I had to get some cars out of the driveway, but I'm going to have to take care of this deck now. Look at that drift. Holy mackerel. Unbelievable amount of snow here. I don't ever remember this being like this. We've had some pretty bad ones in the past, but I don't ever remember it being like this. That's unbelievable. I have to try and get up onto that deck. There's some stairs right in there. I'm gonna have to cut my way all through this. This is geez, I don't know. This is straight out. This has gotta be 4 feet anyway. I have to try and cut my way through all that. Alright, well, here we're gonna get going here. That's all that is. That shovel handle. Shovel handle's not even all the shovel plate's not even all the way to the ground. That's all. It'll be 4 feet anyway. Alright, I made a way through there. Let's see how deep this thing is. A tape measure here. Alright, where are we at here? Right around 4.5 feet. Alright, so got the stairs are right there. Now we're gonna have to get up there, get the snowblower up there and do this here. Usually do this about once or twice a winter, but it's pretty early this year to be doing it, that's for sure. It's over 5 feet tall there. Plenty high, that's for sure. I'll try and get through all this stuff here today. Hey Google, turn on the main deck lights. Let's see what we're doing out here. It's going to be about 5 o'clock in the afternoon here. Things are starting to get dark. So not sure I'm going to get this even finished here. I probably will. Got these lights on now. But anyway, we're going to keep chewing away at it. All right, we're working our way through. We're going to make it. We're going to make it. I'm pretty sure of it. Found a barbecue in there. And table, there's a couple of chairs in there yet. I just push everything way back off to the side like this. Leave the main part of it empty. Do that in the fall time. Just for this purpose, because I do got to get the snowblower up here a couple times during the winter. So anyway, we're making our way through it. Won't be long now. Okay, so we made it. Got her done. Get her done. Still got that there. That goes out tomorrow. These chairs go out on garbage day. But yeah, we got her done there. Got everything kind of shoveled out. And there's, like I said, uncovered a barbecue. There's a couple of chairs down there and some tables over here. And that's it. So yeah, like I said, I leave everything around the outside there in the fall time, so so this can get done without getting into too many obstacles. So anyway, we're gonna call it good. That's it. Done for today. Tomorrow I got to tackle the deck on the other side of the house, but I can't get the snowblower up there, so gotta do that one by hand. Anyway, that's about it for today. So Wrench Gear for Wrench Gear's Adventures, and yeah, we're gonna call it a day. Hit the like and subscribe button there for me, and help my channel grow, and that'll do it. All right, hey Google, turn off the main deck lights.